Walking up to the BMW M9 Concept feels like approaching a moving piece of art. Long, low, and dramatically wide, it's designed to command attention before the engine even starts. This 2026 concept represents BMW's bold vision of the future, combining raw M performance with forward-thinking technology. Every surface is sculpted to look fast, powerful, and purposeful, making the M9 impossible to ignore even at a standstill. From the front, the M9 looks sharp and aggressive, with an extremely low nose and massive air intakes feeding the engine, brakes, and cooling systems. The sculpted hood flows into a wide, muscular body that appears glued to the road. Every line serves a purpose, guiding airflow to improve stability. Active aerodynamic elements adjust downforce and drag in real time, balancing straight-line speed with confident cornering. From the side, the long hood and pushed-back cabin create a classic supercar silhouette. Wide fenders wrap around enormous wheels and performance tires, hinting at serious grip. Lightweight carbon fiber panels reduce weight while improving rigidity, and the low ride height keeps the center of gravity close to the ground. At the rear, a large diffuser and slim taillights complete a design that looks fast even when parked. Inside, the BMW M9 is built entirely around the driver. The cabin blends luxury with motorsport inspiration, using premium leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber. Deeply bolstered seats keep the driver secure during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable on longer trips. A curved digital display shows performance data and driving modes, all angled toward the driver, with physical controls placed exactly where they matter most. Under the hood, the M9 Concept is expected to feature a twin-turbo V12 paired with an electric motor. This hybrid setup delivers instant torque while preserving the emotional sound and power of a traditional V12. Output is rumored to exceed 700 horsepower, sent to all four wheels through a high-performance automatic transmission. The result is explosive acceleration, smooth power delivery, and strong traction in all conditions. Performance is the heart of the M9, with a projected 0 to 100 km/h time of around 3 seconds or less. Advanced all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes work together for precision and control. Multiple driving modes transform the car from refined road cruiser to track-focused machine. As a limited halo model, the M9 stands as a bold statement of BMW's ultimate engineering ambition.